So I guess it does make some noise. So here's the interior. It's the black-ish, brownish wood B&O system. So got some work to do. Maybe that's the adaptive seats. You guys can help me with some of this stuff. But right now, super grandpa looking. I love these wheels though. I'm just gonna do them in black. Carbon ceramic rears. I don't think there's probably ever been a coat of wax on this car. That's okay. Makes it more fun to fix. Makes it the GT3. Ugh. Gotta get rid of that chrome. How do we get rid of that? Certainly get rid of this chrome. Super grandpa mode, but man, it's a cool grandpa, that's for sure. Carbon ceramics. We got some work to do. New lugs, intensive cleaning, and this car is gonna be sick. I wish it didn't have a sunroof. The back seat. Under entertainment. Kiddos are gonna love this thing. Okay, let's go. Mode 2. Parking brake off. So I got a little sidetracked there. I found this great road out in the middle of nowhere after getting some gas. So I figured I'd grab some footage because I do such a terrible job when I have a new car and my brain is going attempting to figure out what the heck the car's doing. So I'm starting to get more acclimated. I got it in MDM mode. So I got a little more slip. So it's not killing the power every turn I go around. Oh man, this thing brakes so well for being so big. That rock out of the rotor. I'd spend more time in second gear now that I've gotten to know the car a little more. This road is so narrow. It's very rough too. So I got suspension in Sport, steering in Sport Plus, throttle response in Sport Plus, shifting in S3. Gosh, the thing's gonna be cool when I get an exhaust on it. I don't know if I don't think I have the adaptive seats. Get these to hug me a little bit more. I thought that came with the competition package. Just not sure. Yeah. It wasn't as fun as I was getting to know it. Now I feel a lot more confident with the car. Plus, I'm a little further removed from the GT3. That's a tough comparison. It's amazing how darn capable a monster sedan like this can be. I don't feel a traction issue at all. And these aren't exactly brand new Pilot Super Sports on the car. I feel very under control. It felt very unbalanced at first because the GT3 I was driving with the rear engine everywhere, so it felt heavy in the front. Now that I've been in the car for about 45 minutes. I've forgotten what the GT3 feels like because I've spent all day in the GT3. Actually, I really like this road. I've been on this before. Been on this road before, and it was really beat up, lots of rocks. Now it's pretty clean. I'm gonna come up this more often. I have no idea where I am, but I'm going somewhere on the side of a mountain. I just need more noise. Now this really tests the car's ability, because this is a tiny road and a really big car. This is fun, man. Turtle. Baby turtle. Yeah, I have a feeling this car is not going to be Michelle's for very long. I'll get her that Tesla after all. I would be happy having this car. It was the only car I had from the mountains. Even on this really, like, this isn't a great road for this car, but gosh, as quiet as this is, maybe I will get downpipes on this thing. I think when you put it, that's what I'm not sure. I think when you put it in Sport Plus, I think that's when the valves open. So I think the valves are open, but I'll have to dig into that a little bit more. Little M5 squeak. Gotta take Michelle out in her M5 and show her what we can do with it. Yeah! It's so tight back here, so technical. It's so much fun. I like it because I don't have to go crazy fast to make it really fun. I just want more drama on the shifts. Maybe the exhaust do that for me. Maybe I'll have to get downpipes. A little chirp there. You know, old Maddie's driving the car, squealing a little bit. Either that or I'm just not very smooth. Starting to make myself sick though. Brake! Yeah! Oh yeah, I like this car. You didn't hear me talking very much at the beginning of the video. I wasn't sure I liked it. Now I'm sure. Get some black wheels, some carbon fiber, D Grandpa, the Silverstone, and we got something to work with. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So tight. It's hard for you to really get a concept for how tight this is. How amazing it is. The pavement, just fantastic. is ungodly fast. I'm like barely even on the throttle. Rare car sighting back here. Silent versus the GT3 you can hear from miles and miles away. Really have to concentrate on teaching myself to keep my eyes up. Proud of your boy Matty driving. Comparison to previous trips. I feel like that one time with Andy, thanks to my buddy Andy Papa for taking the time to teach me. But I feel like I have improved my driving a little bit. We're back, so yeah, M5 looks good. It's touch and go there for a minute. Wasn't sure I liked it, but yeah, pretty sure I more than like it. It's a good thing because I bought it. And there's no going back. I mean, I guess I could sell it, but so there you have it. I'll get more footage of the M5 as I learn more about it. That was fun. I wasn't having fun, to be honest with you, and then at the end there, I really started to get a feel for the car, and yeah, man, it's super capable. That's just great. So I'll have a lot more coming on this thing. We got a lot of cleanup to do, and I'll be talking more about the options and all that stuff as I figure this car out. So anyway, thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more crazy.